Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Nigerians react, and I mean, the news is everywhere. Everyone's saying this is absurd. It should not be happening in a nation like Nigeria, where the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayode, swears in his own son. Some people have termed it nepotism. If you look at the list and you see, all the regions were not equally represented. You understand what I mean? And you know the region that is already, underrepresented. I don't even need to tell you. I guess you know. In the whole of this, his son is the chief justice now from Oyo State. And some people says what he has done is violating the law. He should not be swearing in his own son. No, it's not right. He should not be swearing in his own son because it will lead to a lot of question. Okay, it will lead to a lot of questions. It will not go very well. And what is happening is a very clear indication that Nigeria is currently forgetting her roots and where she really stands. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. CJN Olukayode swears in his own son, 22 others as High Court judges as Nigerians react. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayode Arowolo, on Wednesday morning sworn in his son, Olukayode Jr., and 22 others as new judges of the Federal High Court. The other judges sworn in on Wednesday at the Supreme Court Abuja were Dakbo Isaac from Ogun, Ogundare Kehinde from Ekiti, Agbola Olufemilayo and Adetutu from Lagos, Musa Kekere from Kaduna, Abdulrahim Ibrahim from Sokoto, Sharon Tanko Iyaro from Kebbi. Sahara reporter said others were Salima Oloposi Ibrahim from Ogun, Iyala Haruna Joseph from Gombe, Wigi Sitiru Joy from Rivers, Oluyo Alexandra Oluseyi from Kogi, Arowolo Onujubi from Benue, Mohammed from Kebbi, Abiola Jordan Adeyemi from Kwara, Habab Ibrahim from Federal Capital Territory, Aisha Ibrahim from Borno State. The rest are Hassan. The other names are there. His son's name is also included. His son is the one representing Oyo State. And people are saying Olukayode's son, as a judge in the Federal Capital Territory in July, this son had, issues that they were talking about, although it was later settled. This was contained in a statement as many Nigerians and even some SANs have said Olukayode have not kept to the ordinances of the judiciary. He stated that the new appointees were made at the conclusion of the council 103rd meeting, which was held in Abuja and presided over by himself, and a lot of people, including judges, are already reacting and saying this is not right. This should not be, and we should not allow such things to continue to happen. What has happened now is not acceptable, because it will raise questions about your son, his eligibility, if he's qualified, and how things have been. It will make you seem as a bad person. That's the honest truth. Let's face it. Let's call a spade a spade. Do you understand the gravity of what you have done and how people will read this? It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. So we need to be honest and sincere. From the very, very first instant, we can see that, the way things have been going on and how things have been carried and the way people have been responding to all of this, Nigerians are of the opinion that things have not been done well. Let's stop all this nepotic attitude and ways that we have been doing things. Do you know what happened when Buhari came in? He carried on nepotic activities. Do you think Nnamdi Kanu is a madman? Before Buhari came in, there have been Olusegun Obasanjo, 1999 to 2007. From there, we have late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, who later died, second president, right? Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, third president, before Buhari came in. And when Buhari came in, he started treating the Southeast with impunity, neglecting and totally abandoning the region. In fact, those that were in position were being replaced from those from the northern part of the country. Yes, it's that bad. And one of their sons who could speak up says, you know what? We don't have a problem with you. The amalgamation of Nigeria was done in the 1914. Over 100 years, we're supposed to review that document. 100 years, 2014 makes it 100 years. So the document was due for review. So if you don't want us in Nigeria, it's fine. There are 5 states in the Southeast. Let's have a meeting. And if for instance, the other parts of the country are not feeling like we deserve to be here, where we are being neglected on national issues so that we don't have a voice and so we are not represented, it therefore goes to say that we are insignificant. So if that is to be the case, we are ready to go away and form a nation called Biafra. And that was the genesis of Nnamdi Kanu's ordeal. As we speak, he's still in custody. So when you start off on the wrong note, it does not go well. You can't cheat people to achieve your aim. Selfishness, all kinds of vices that does not go well. You know what it means? We're in a person's business. As a nation, human being is made in such a way that we are relational. When you see somebody that is staying all alone, doing this all alone, does not talk to anybody, what do people say? There's something wrong. Is that not what we because we are relational? The way things go on. Even that human being, if you go and check, at the beginning of his life, he was not all alone. Somebody helped him. If not, he wouldn't have even survived as a child. To mention but a few. Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.